Hey Millie, wanna play basketball with me?
No, I'm busy.
You're always on that device.
So?
You're just like Nibbles.
Who's Nibbles?
You don't know who Nibbles is? Let me tell you a story.
Hey!
Nibbles gets his carrots and his cake.
In a sunny patch of green, where flowers bloom so bright, lived Nibbles, a happy bunny, his family's delight.
Adventure filled his days, chasing his sister through the glen. In the afternoons, they played football with Christopher the Red. One rainy day, he found the tablet, digital in style.
What's this?
He asked and turned it on.
Let's try it for a while. On this machine were videos, cartoons, music, and how-tos. He made friends, played games, learned dance moves, and built worlds that grew and grew.
The skies cleared up, the sun came out. His friends wanted to play, but Nibbles called out,
I'll stay inside. I'm leveling up today. On his screen from day till night, Nibbles was mesmerized, mindlessly scrolling through content and letting the real world pass him by.
"We miss you, Nibbles," his sister cried. "You're always on that screen. You skipped our game against the Black Bears. We need you on our team."
Nibbles missed his friends, but the screen's allure was just too bright. Plus, he heard about a hot new game. Kids were calling it Fortnite.
Nibbles, son, this isn't you.
Mama Bunny said.
Your grades have dropped, you never sleep, and you're always feeling blue. I want to help you take control, find balance for screens and play. There can be room for both these things. A healthy approach should be our way. I've read about Carrots and Cake. Mother bunnies like it a lot. Learning activities get priority before limited fun screen time unlocks.
Learning apps? That can't be fun.
Nibbles snorted and declined. Mama laughed.
Don't doubt, my son. Let's fight persuasive design. We'll find activities that suit you. There are hundreds we can choose. Pet Bingo, Simply Piano, ABC Mouse, Duolingo too.
Nibbles started a new routine of learning before he'd play. Now screen time had strict boundaries. On the screen he couldn't stay. He stepped back out into the sun that shined down on the glen. He found his sister on the football pitch, practicing with Christopher the Wren.
I'm sorry that I skipped our games,
Nibbles apologized.
but I hope you let me rejoin the team. I miss playing with you guys.
Christopher shrugged, then he smiled.
Staying mad is not my style.
It wasn't cool, his sister stared. But come on, let's practice and beat those Black Bears. Screens are still in Nibbles' life, but just part and certainly not all. Finding a balance with Carrots and Cake allowed Nibbles to stand tall.
So hop along with Nibbles, use screens with focus and intent. Have a healthy digital life and a family that's content. Thanks for watching!